Hey guys, Ty the RV guy here with Rangeland RV, and behind me is the all-new 2021 Rockwood 8336BH. This is a never-before-seen floor plan from Rockwood, and it features a beautiful front bedroom on a slide-out. You have an island kitchen and a bunk room in the back. Let's check it out. So let's talk a little bit about the specs and construction on this brand new Rockwood behind me here. So the 8336 floor plan is going to give you an overall length of 36 feet and 8 inches from pin to bumper. Rough dry weight on this trailer is right around that 9,600 pounds dry, and it's also going to give you a 54 gallon freshwater capacity. Now, talking a little bit about the construction with Rockwood, one of the things that they do that is very unique throughout our industry is they have a 6-sided vacuum bonded construction. So that means that you have aluminum framing and block foam insulation throughout the entirety of this coach, even into your rear wall, your slide walls, and into the roof. The other signature feature that they put on most of their products is the independent rubber ride suspension system. This is a Dexter torsion Torflex axle, which gives you independent rubber ride suspension throughout the entire travel of the trailer. So you're going to have a nice, easy, smooth pull going down the highway, and it's just going to ride a lot better with the road and actually help reduce trailer sway. Let's have a look at some of the really cool exterior features here. So let's talk about some of the really cool features on the exterior of this Rockwood here. So on my right side, the first thing that you're going to notice on the outside of the trailer is this beautiful outside kitchen. So you have this nice 2-burner cooktop that simply just slides out from underneath that outside fridge there, and they even have a swing around barbecue attachment on the bumper here, so it's a great spot to mount that grill that comes with your new Rockwood. On my left side, you'll notice down the actual full side of the trailer you have 2 awnings, and with your Signature you also have the option of adding the metal covers over the top of the fabrics, which you can see we've done to this one here. Now, another option that we've also added to this 8336 is the full auto level feature. This is amazing. It's an electric auto leveling system, which is actually going to completely balance out your trailer for you once you get it into the campsite. A couple other little details that you'll notice: Rockwood also uses the frameless windows, which are going to open from the bottom out, so you can always get a breeze into the trailer even if it's raining outside, along with 30-pound tanks at the front of the trailer with a power tongue jack. There's a couple more little things that we can touch on the outside, but let's run inside and have a look first. So now that we're inside the Rockwood 8336, you can see the beautiful kitchen that this floor plan has to offer. This great island kitchen is going to feature, of course, a 12 cubic foot fridge, which has got the stainless panels on the front there to really clean up the look. You'll also have a 22-inch glass door oven in here too, with some really nice accent lighting to again increase that look of the trailer. Now, one of the little details that I like to point out in this kitchen in particular is you'll notice there's actually a lot of additional counter space right beside the stove. That's actually a rarity in our industry. So a lot of trailers, you're always really tight into the cooking area when you're trying to prep or anything like that. Now, being that this is a Rockwood Signature, you're going to see the countertops in here are a lot thicker. This is actually a DuPont Corian countertop that they put in here, so it's a lot thicker. It's going to be more scratch resistant and of course heat resistant too. And another nice little touch that Rockwood gives you in their Signature category is you'll have actually soft closing drawers in these trailers. So of course, nice and smooth. Let's have a look at the rest of the trailer. So looking at the other side of the kitchen now in the main area of this 8336, you're going to see a beautiful slide out which features a U-shaped dinette and a pull-out sofa. So of course, even though this has a bunkhouse in the back, you're even going to have more additional sleeping in the main area here for some guests. Now, one of the things I like to point out too is with the way that this couch sits, it actually points directly to your entertainment unit. So you'll be facing right onto the TV, not turning your head, which you'll see in a lot of other trailers. Right underneath that, it's also got a beautiful sound bar and your full entertainment unit, which is going to have a CD, DVD player. It's AM, FM controlled, and of course it's Bluetooth capable too. And of course, just below that, you'll have your fireplace, which is also going to work as an additional heater for you. Now, you may notice too, all behind me here, you have this beautiful panoramic view with all of these windows, but they even add an MCD roller shade in. And these are also day and night shades, so it's great because these actually are UV reflectant shades that they put in the Signature, and they're very easy to use. Let's have a look at the front bedroom. So one of the great things about the Signature category in Rockwood is you're going to find some of the largest bedrooms and most spacious bedrooms throughout the industry. Now they do that by always putting a slide out bed in all of their floor plans for their travel trailers in the Signature category. You're going to notice too on my right side here, this is actually a residential queen bed, and they put a Serta mattress in here, which is a lot comfier than of course the standard RV mattresses that you've seen in our industry. So on my left side here, you'll notice there's a ton of storage in this bedroom. They actually wrap the cabinets all the way around the front, and they even give you a nice big hanging wardrobe, which is again washer and dryer prep too. A lot of the little features that Rockwood does too in the bedroom really help clean up the look. Like you'll see, it's a fully lit headboard in here. They even have low light reading lights too, and some little shelves for some CPAP machines if you had that too, with some plugins beside the bed. Of course, there's a fantastic fan that they've also put up in front here, and to top it all off, you have a beautiful front windshield to give you that nice panoramic view in here too, with the slow rising shade. Let's have a look at the bathroom now. So now we're in the bathroom of this beautiful Rockwood here, and a couple of the things I wanted to point out. For an example here, you'll have an actual new sink that they've just put in here, and it's actually a lot wider, and it's a stainless sink too, compared to a lot of the acrylics or plastics you'll see throughout our industry. You're also going to have a porcelain toilet in this trailer, much easier to keep clean, a lot more durable, and of course this really nice glass shower surround, which is in the corner of course. And what Rockwood has always done is they've added this beautiful shower miser system. This is really cool because it actually gives you the option to save a lot more water now when you are showering in your trailer, because it cycles it through the hot water tank while you're heating that water. A couple little other details that Rockwood provides: they actually have a 360 siphon vent, which actually pulls the gases from the black tank out of the trailer, so when you flush that toilet you're not getting that breath of fresh air. Plus they also have the fantastic fan in the bathroom here too. Let's have a look at the bunk room now. So let's touch quickly on the bunk room in this Rockwood here. What you're going to notice right off the bat is there's a beautiful slide in here which really opens up the space. You'll also have 4 sleeping spaces. So a bunk here, a bunk on my left, and a fold-out cube sofa on the bottom here. So like I mentioned, easily 4 kids can sleep back here. And the really cool part is they have their own entertainment unit. So you'll also have their own stereo back here. If you want to set them up with a movie, you can be out in the main area or even out at the fire, and you won't have to be listening to Frozen with them. There's a lot of storage in here too. Like you'll notice beside me, there's a bunch of adjustable shelving here, a couple of drawers, so it's really all that you're going to need out of a bunk room in a trailer this size. So I wanted to touch on a couple more cool features about this Rockwood before we finish up here today. One of the things of which we missed out on the outside there is the full tire pressure monitoring system that Rockwood provides. This is really cool because it gives you the temperature and pressure of the tires back to the vehicle in real time. They also give you a Wi-Fi Ranger system in here, which is LTE capable. So if you're at the campsite and you want to grab that Wi-Fi signal and boost it directly into your trailer, it's very easy to do. There's of course a full enclosed underbelly on this trailer also, where they provide 12-volt heat pads in all your tanks, so if you want to do that early spring or late fall camping, you're good to go. That pretty much wraps it up here today, guys. If you like what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, or even feel free to reach out to me at my email at tyler@rangelandrv.com. And again, feel free to check out our website at rangelandrv.com. Thanks again, and happy camping.